Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Natural Remedies Healthy Life app is and how it's positioned. The Natural Remedies Healthy Life app is a mobile health and wellness guide that provides natural remedy information for common conditions like allergies, poor digestion, acne, joint pain, nausea, and anxiety using plants, herbal teas, essential oils, and lifestyle tips as described in up-to-date official App Store listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With this app, users can explore a list of natural remedies featuring plants, fruits, and essential oils with explanations about their uses and potential benefits structured as a handbook for common ailments. The app may also provide weekly healthy recipes designed to support overall well-being through nutrition, so users have tasty options that align with a natural lifestyle. It may include yoga exercises for body flexibility and mental calmness that users can follow for physical well-being, according to the app's documented features. This app may offer tips and tricks for everyday health practices, including short video tutorials for home-prepared remedies and simple wellness techniques to help people adopt healthier habits. Users could find sections like chromotherapy for relaxation and a step counter pedometer for basic movement tracking that contribute to a holistic approach to healthy living. Because natural remedies and lifestyle suggestions are educational and not a substitute for professional medical advice, users should consult qualified healthcare providers for diagnosis or treatment of health conditions. This app is not a medical treatment tool. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.